Marami siya yung nasasabi, palagi kong nakikita sana all naka iPhone 16 Pro Max. Well, for one, hindi po ito iPhone 16 Pro Max dahil yung Max malaki po sa kamay ko, iPhone 16 Pro. But here's the good news. Sa Shopee po kasi, meron po silang Shopee Pay Later or S-Loan. Sa Shopee Pay Later, from time to time, nagbibigay po ng temporary increase or meron ding Shopee Pay Later Extra para siyang boost sa Shopee Pay nyo. Or meron ding S-Loan. Yung S-Loan naman, cash loan po siya up to 100,000 pesos. Depende sa kung anong i-offer ng system sa inyo. Needless to say, kung gusto mong bayaran yung iPhone using Shopee Pay Later or S-Loan, babayaran nyo po yung mga to on installments. So, hindi na kayo mapapasana all. So, with Shopee and Shopee Pay Later or Shopee S-Loan, you can get actually the phone, an iPhone or any phone of your choice on installments. So follow me for more information. By the way guys, all the links wala dito. Shopee links meron. But I talk about loans in this channel. So if you're interested, subscribe and see you on my next vlog.